to my channel. In this project I'm going to show you how I made this no-sew high-low top. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. If you are not a subscriber, I will appreciate if you join our family. Thank you. I am using 2 meters of self-finish fabric. You can use any fabric. Mine is stretchy, but you can use any as long as it's self-finish or it won't fray. I want it to cover my hips, so I'm taking 27 inches. I'm just checking 27 inches. So I'm folding it into 4. For the neck opening, I've taken 4 inches. So you can make it 3 if you like. So I'm just making it into a circle. I'm connecting the dots. And then from the top, I'm taking it down to the end of the fabric. Cut the neck opening. Open it in half and trim the sharp edges. And make sure that it curves nicely. So here is our finished top. You can wear it in 2 ways or more. So this is the first way. Or you can put a belt. That's the second way.